Welcome to the setup video for horiSCI. So first things first, thank you for buying horiSCI. It really helps me a lot. Well, it helps the whole tech group, but mainly me. Second, to start off your setup process, go to our Discord server and go to the ROBLOX channel. Okay, right here, and you do !retrieve space horiSCI. It should DM you the file after some time. There we go. Then you go to your DMs and download the file. If you don't get a DM from the bot, please go to user settings, privacy and safety, and make sure this is ticked. Allow direct messages from server members. Or you can go to the horiTech Discord server, right click the server icon, press privacy settings, and tick this. Make sure this is ticked. And when you've done that, retrieve the file. Alright, so in this studio I set up for this video, we have the first class tool, a passport tool, and an economy class tool. So first things, you wanna insert the file by just dragging it in. Okay, so here we go. It's a folder. So first things, you open the folder. You can delete readme because it basically explains what I'm doing right now. So first things, we gotta set up the tickets folder. So drag the tickets folder into replicator storage. You put your tickets into the tickets folder. There, the tickets folder is now done. Secondly, you put horiSCI into workspace. Then you delete horiSCI folder. So in here is all the stuff you basically need. horiSCI loader, don't touch that. Settings, double click. So here is where a lot of people mess up, the classes section. So I'll put an example here. So basically I have economy class and first class. So first thing, you put two curly brackets. You put two quotes, and you can name the class whatever you want, like economy, for example. And then after the quotes, you put a comma, and then you put two quotes again. This is your ticket tool name. So for my ticket tool name is EC right here. So I'll just type EC. So next, I want to set up the first class tool. So I'll go outside the two brackets. I'll put a comma, and I'll put two more brackets. Then I'll put two quotes, and I'll call it like first class. Then after the quotes, I put a comma and add two more quotes and call it FC because that's the ticket tool name right here, FC. Then the third thing, I'll put a comma. So for this third variable here, I will go to Google Chrome. So this is my first class ticket. I'll grab the ID, copy, and I'll go in Studio and I'll paste it right there. So that's basically the classes setup done. If you want to add more classes, there's only 4 classes allowed. And the first class you list here will always be free, no matter if you put a shirt ID there. So if you want to add like more classes like business class, you just basically do like this. 2 brackets, 2 quotes again, ticket tool name, and shirt ID. And just you repeat that. Yes, you repeat that. So I only have 2 classes, so I'll just delete this. So next, passport. The passport tool name. So here in starter pack, my passport tool name is literally passport. So I'll just copy that and paste it here. There we go. Group ID. So I'll just go in Google Chrome and copy the ID from my group. And I'll just paste it in group ID. Minimum rank needed to access the admin page. I recommend adding an admin minimum rank because leaving 0 is too risky. So go to Google Chrome, your group, click the 3 dots, click configure group, go to roles right here, and scroll down to what role you want. So for example, I want flight host. I'll copy the rank or just type the rank. I'll come here and paste the rank. And there we go. You can close the settings. And if you ever want to have more than one SCI, you can duplicate the horiSCI module. We'll duplicate that and duplicate it over. That's basically how you add more. So if I want to add more example, I can do that, and I can do more like that. It can be so much. There's basically no limit unless Roblox just breaks. No, that's just Roblox fault at that point. Like that, I can do that. Make sure it's horiSCI model being duplicated. So after that's done, go to game settings, security, tick allow HTTP requests. On default, Roblox already enabled that. So if it's not enabled, enable it and click save. Then you publish the game, and you can go in game and use our horiSCI. I really worked very hard to script it. So thank you for buying horiSCI. I'll see you in the next video.